Oh, get some. Get some. Get some. Get some of that.
A lot of money.
It's like a 1974, 75 production. I don't know. I'll hate to be the day go on have to hump that thing around.
You're all right. You ain't got to move.
This is one that he said that goes, how much? This is fully automatic here. That's the baby though.
Take a picture of that bad boy.
Take a picture of this bad boy here. Here, this is the bad boy right here.
No, this one is.
There's only one of these that's transferable. And this ours isn't for sale, but
$18,000. $18,000. The government bought them for $200-something a piece. And 61.
is that it? Yes.
The government bought them for $270 when they first come out in 61. Well, the run was